Hello and welcome to our channel, Pickles to find a good place on our table. Here we bring to you a fantastic recipe of pickle made with garlics. You can also find the nutritive value of the recipe in the video. So let's begin. I've taken here the peel and clean garlics. Cut them to small pieces. Pickling is a process of preserving food items that may be seasonal or difficult to find. Take half of a tomato and blend to make fresh tomato puree. Then heat a pan. Add gingerly oil. Pickles are always best made with gingerly oil or mustard oil. You can choose any one of them. Now add the mustard seeds and allow to splutter. Add ginger and saute it. Now add the curry leaves, roast them well. At this moment add garlic, salt them together. In fact, garlic should occupy a good place in our diet. They are highly nutritious as well as contain certain medicinal properties which helps in lowering blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels and also lowers the risk of heart diseases. Saute till they turn light brown in color. At this point, reduce the flame. And let's start adding the spices. First, add the turmeric powder and mix well. Then add red chili powder, roast the spices well. Now add tomato puree, mix well and combine all together. Cover and cook for a few minutes till the spices and puree are well done. Remember to stir in between. Now to bring in the pickle flavor, we add roasted fenugreek powder and a pinch of asafoetida. Saute them well. To enhance the taste, we add rock salt. You can also go for the normal table salt. To give a slight sweet touch to the pickle, we add dates. If you like, you can also add chili flakes. Mix all together. Then cover and cook for just 1 minute. You can also stir in between. Lastly, we add apple cider vinegar. This will help to reduce the garlic flavor and make them soft and also help in preservation. We are almost done. Off the flame and allow it to cool. Then store the pickle in glass containers. It tastes amazing after a few days, and it stays well up to a month or so. But you can refrigerate it and store for longer time. Serve and enjoy in your meals.